In this video, I'll be showing you how to change date and time on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, on pure Android devices using the standard Google layout, what you want to do is firstly go over to your settings application, then scroll down, and then you want to go ahead and find your system settings. So just go over to that, or if you don't see system, you might see general management. Go over to that. Then what you're going to see is date and time as one of the options. Go over to that. And if you're on automatic date and time like I am right now, if you want to switch it yourself, all you got to do is turn it off like so. And then over here, you're going to be able to set the date to whatever you want. And then as well as the time to whatever you want as well. Because let's say the automatic date and time is bugging out, or you just want to set it manually yourself, you can do it yourself very easily. Just make sure automatic date and time is turned off, and then you'll be good to go. You can even change if you want automatic time zone on or off, and if you want to use the 24-hour format, since some countries don't use that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.